All right, I got another one for you, Will, that you never saw coming. Did you know about the pepperoni shortage?
Oh, no.
That's right. So, couple of reasons. Obviously, pandemic related, because every weird, I think I was talking about a shortage. Webcam shortage was another one. We had a webcam shortage and a pepperoni shortage. So production goes down. Apparently, pepperoni is complicated to make. All across the U.S., pizza parlors. Damn,
I guess they're doing well.
That makes me want to go to a pizza parlor. Just saying pizza parlor.
The parlor part.
The parlor part. Doesn't that sound so cool? A pizza parlor. I don't even know if I've ever been to a pizza parlor. What makes it a parlor? What is a parlor? Why is it different from a pizza restaurant or a pizzeria? Well, that's the Italian term. Damn, pizza parlor. Sounds delicious. Anyway, I don't think we have any of those around here. We just got the typical delivery stuff going on. But anyway, so they have a shortage, and the price of pepperoni is going up because it's a really popular ingredient, as you're aware. And the consumption of pizza through the roof, pandemic style.
Yeah, pizza's doing well.
Oh my God, everyone's ordering
during,
pizza.
COVID.
They don't want to cook. They're stuck at home. It's a quick thing to do. You're looking for something different. Maybe you pick a couple of toppings you wouldn't usually go for.
And it's shared, like you always say.
I always say it's shared.
Yeah.
It brings people together. Pizza. It's round. Round is also good.
It's friendly.
Like a round table.
Very approachable.
A round table is superior to a rectangular table. A rectangular table, okay? I'm all the way over here. You're all the way over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You walk into the corner of it. It hurts.
A rectangular table is really just a bunch of small tables because the only conversation you're going to have without being a complete jerk is just right around your square section. You see? Now, the person with a strategic seat somewhere near the middle can actually entertain both sides, but that's, well, limited. Those positions.
Yeah.
And even if you had that position, you're kind of squished and you want to be near the end anyways. You get a good round table. Now, this only works to a certain scale because eventually the round table, I get far from you as well.
Yeah.
But you get a good round table, the right size and the right number of people. You have yourself a conversation that a rectangular table is incapable of producing.
Yeah, I agree.
So consider it.
Getting one right now.
Consider a round pizza on a round table, if you don't mind. Well, you'll see, okay, I'll settle for a hexagon. I'll settle for an octagon. And you will typically see this in the form of card playing tables, in which there's recognition that everybody needs an equal footing. Do you see the symbolism there? Now imagine that same thing, but conversational.
Yeah. I mean, with the hexagon or octagon, there's usually one guy that comes in and then it just spoils all of the sides. You know what I mean? Just takes one guy.
Wow. What
That's
kind of
I agree
experience
with you.
did you have?
I mean, with the circle, it's all equal. You know? You can't have like a hexagon table with 7 people.
Oh.
It's not equal.
Oh.
You know?
You can't distribute equally.
Yeah. It just gets weird at that point.
What about a hex table with 3 people? You could distribute that equally.
You could, yes. Yeah.
But round gives you more options. I agree.
Of course.
I'm
yeah.
not trying to talk you out of the round.
No.
I'm just saying that these have similar attributes.
Yeah.
These various shapes. And there's good reason for them. Shapes.
Yeah.